And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of lead code and geeks for geeks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So today's problem of the day is clone list with next and random, which is marked as a hard level problem. Let's find out what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. So we will be given the head of the linked list, and this head of the linked list, this node is basically a bit different from the usual linked list nodes. Why? Let me tell you. So this node, because look, in let's say in usually in the nodes of the linked list we have two things. First one is the value, and second one is the pointer to the next node of linked list. Okay, this is the usual way. Okay, but in this node if you will see the structure, we have one data one data point is their value, whatever you can say. One is the next pointer, and one more pointer is there, which is random pointer. So next pointer is basically pointing to some other node, and random pointer is also pointing to some other node. Both nodes are different. Okay, so basically this is what this linked list is. And Now let's see what we have to do. So basically what we have to do is we have to make the clone of this linked list. We have to make the clone of this linked list. Clone basically means कि if we are given this linked list 1 2 3 4 5, if you will see here in this diagram, here we will say like first node is there and there are two pointers. First one, this is the random pointer, and you can see one is pointing to 3. So first pointer is pointing to the third pointer. Okay, and one dot next is pointing to 2. One dot next is pointing to 2. Similarly, 2 dot next is pointing to 3, and 2 dot random is pointing to 1. 2 dot random is pointing to 1. Okay, so this is basically the structure, and have to make the clone of it. Clone of it basically means we should not use any of these given nodes. We should not use any of these given nodes. And second thing is what? Second thing is key the next and random pointers and the data should be same of the clone linked list, and we have to return the head of the linked list. Okay, cloned linked list. I think the problem statement is this much only, and it will be clear to you, although I will request everyone to please read this para once, and then it will be very clear to you. We can see here it's written, construct a copy of the given list. The copy should consist of the same number of new nodes, where each new node has value set to value of its corresponding original node. Basically, original node is what we are currently given in this head, and both the next and random pointer of the new node should point to the new nodes in the copied list, such that the original and copied list pointer represent the same list state. Okay, what does this mean? This means basically though look, this is my given node here, in which next is pointing to 2 and random is pointing to 3. Okay, so now we have to construct a new node with value 1 and next and random pointing to the copy, like 1 is pointing to 2, so this 2 will also be a new copy. This 2 will also be a new copy, and 1 dot random is pointing to, let's suppose, 3. So this 3 will also be a new copy. This 3 will also be a new copy, and we have to just do like that and return the new head. Okay, so this is what the problem statement is demanding, and I think it will be very clear to you now what we have to do, because it's a long description, so that's why I wanted to explain it a bit. Now let's move on to one note where we will see how we can think of an approach. There are various approaches to solve this, and we will see it one by one. Okay, so first approach is basically very simple. What I will do, I will be, look, 1 2 3 4 5 is my linked list. Let me uh, make it here as well. 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Okay, all right. Now one का जो random, once random is pointing to 3. Okay, 2 random is pointing to 1. Okay, and 3 random is pointing to 5. Okay, 4 random is pointing to 3, and 5 random is pointing to 2, in this way. Okay, so in this way these are the next pointers, and the curved one are the random pointers. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will simply make a I will simply start from my current linked list, which is 1. Okay, and I will make a new node, and I will make a new node of 1. Okay, so made a new node with one value, and it's next and next, and basically let's say random pointer is currently null. Okay, and currently, like, it's my first node, so it's my current as well, it's my current. Okay, all right, now this is my first node I have made, which is duplicate. Okay, which is copy. Okay, so now what I will do, I will simply make a map as well, and in that map I will store this node which is given to me here, 1, and this current new node which is given to me, 1 here. Okay, so this is what we will add in a map. Node, it's not a value, it's the whole node, it's the whole node. Okay, all right, I will tell you why. Now what I will do, again I will go to this 2, my head will now move to 2, so I will again make a new node of 2. So this is a very fresh node of 2 with 2 value, and next and random are pointing to null. Okay, this is my current which is currently stored as well. I will simply do current dot next is equal to new node, and I will update my current as well. I will update my current. I will update my current. Okay, in the same way I will make a 3 node as well, and then current dot next will be 3. Current dot next is 3. Okay, in this way we will simply construct a node of all the given values, like basically the copy of the given values, and this is, let's say, 4, and this is, let's say, 5. Okay, I'm taking some time to make it very very clear to you, and so that it does not bother you again ever. Okay, so in this way I've created a copy of this node, and we can see here key, yeah, look, the next pointers are done, next pointers are basically very very done, but the random pointers are not populated, and here we have stored in map key 2 new node is with the old node. Okay, 3 new node with the old node. In this way we have created. Okay, all right, now what we have to do, we have to just populate the random pointers. Okay, so what I will go, these are the old nodes, these are the old nodes, and these are the new nodes which I have created, and these are the old nodes. Like, key is the old node, and these are the new nodes values. Okay, with 2, 3, 4, 5, all the are created. Okay, I think it's very very clear to you, and 5 is also created. Okay, all right, good, great. So what I will do now, I have pointers. First pointer, I will keep it here, and in the given current node also I have a pointer. So these both pointers will continue now. Okay, so first and first. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply get कि यार ones का random is pointing to 3. Okay, one का random is pointing to 3. Once random is pointing to 3. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply get from map ki yaar once random, get from map once random, basically third node. Okay, so third node I have got, third node's value of this is the new node 3. So I will simply do my current this node random will point to 3. Okay, I think it's a bit clear. Let me tell you again. So again, the pointers will be increased. Pointers will be, let's say, updated. So now our pointer is at 2. This pointer is at 2, and this pointer is also at 2. Okay, both will be updated at each step. Okay, now what I will check, ki 2's random is first. Okay, now if I will try to get in map key 2 dot random's value, 2 dot randoms value from map I will try to get, so I can easily get 2 dot random. Basically 2 dot random is what, 1, so this is 1, and its new value is this one. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply do, this is my current new node dot random is equal to this mp dot value, whatever it will give me this one node, so this will be pointing to 1. In this way we will keep on doing, and we will get our answer. I think it's a bit clear to you. In the same way for 3, let's say कि यार let's say for 4, let's say for 4 both pointers are at 4, this pointer is here and we are here as well. Okay, now what I will check, I will check fourth random is pointing to 3. Okay, fourth random is pointing to 3, so try to get the 3's new node. 3's new node is this 3, which is currently here. So I will simply do 4.random is equal to mp.get of the value. Okay, so in this way we will simply get our values. But here we are we are using some extra space which we should avoid. We are using some extra space which we should avoid, and how we will avoid, let's see that with a more optimized approach. But I think this approach will be clear, and if you are a beginner or a medium level programmer, you should try to code this approach as well. Okay, I will add this code in my GitHub so you can get from that. Now let's move on to the most optimized code. Okay, all right, let me quickly delete all these things. Let's quickly delete something like this. Yeah, again take a draw, and now what I will do, I will simply construct this linked list again. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and now let's quickly make the random pointers as well. 1 is pointing to 3, 2 is pointing to 1, and 3 is pointing to 5, 4 is pointing to 3, and 5 is pointing to 2. Okay, so in this way, and this 5 next is pointing to null. In this way. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply iterate over this linked list one by one. I'm currently at this one node. And now what I will do, I will make a new node with one value. I will make a new node with one value in this way. Okay, and now once dot next is this one. Okay, all right, now what I will do, in the same way I will make a new node with 2 here, and 3 here, 4 here, and 5 here. We can simply make it with the code ki yaar currently I am at this one, so I will make a new node with one value. Very easy. Okay, and now what I will do, current dot next is equal to new node. Okay, and new node dot next is equal to current dot this. Okay, in this way we will simply make a connection. Okay, so now one's is 1, two's next node is 2, three's next node is 3, and which is the duplicate. Okay, and now 1 is pointing to 2, this 2 is pointing to this 3, and this 3 is pointing to new node 4, and this fourth new node is pointing to this new node 5. In this way we have basically populated our next pointer very easily. Okay, all right, and now just we have to let's say populate our random pointers. Okay, all right, how we are going to do that? So look, 1 dot random is 3, 1 dot random is 3. Okay, so what will be the random of this? 1 dot random dot next, 1 dot random dot next. So 1 dot random is 3, dot next is this 3, so this one's random is this 3. I think you have got this. Okay, again, 2 dot random is 1. Okay, 2 dot random is 1. So what will be the random of this 2? Previous node, this 2's random dot next. 2's random is 1, dot next is this one. So in this way it is again construct. Let's say the random pointers will be populated in this way. Okay, I think you guys are very connected to me till this point, and it is crystal clear to you. And after that, what I will do, I will simply make a new I will just simply, already I have the connections. Okay, yeah, one, now I will simply do 1 dot next to this 2, 2 dot next to this 3, and simply return this one. Okay, so just we have to abstract the nodes, new nodes which I have created, and remove the old nodes. So that's very easy, and I will tell you in the code only how we are doing this. So now let's move on to the code section, but I think it will be a bit clear to you, and if yes, please subscribe the channel and like the video, because it's very late in the night and I am making a video, so I think it deserves a subscribe button and like video. Okay, so now let's quickly move on to the code section for the optimized approach. If head is equal to null, what I will do, I will simply return null. This is my base case. Okay, after that I will simply now look, if I divide this into small steps. First step is to create like 1 2 3 4 5 is there. So first step is to create one's next node, duplicate node for 1, duplicate node for 2, duplicate node for 3, and in this way. Okay, how are we going to do? Just let me copy this head pointer to current, because we are going to use it again and again. And simply, while current not equal to null, and now I will create a copy node. Copy is equal to new node of what? Current dot data. Okay, so let's say for this node 1, this copy node is created. Okay, and I just have to link this node now. Okay, so look, copy dot next is equal to current dot next. Okay, and current dot next is equal to copy, and now current is equal to copy dot next. What I have done here, let me tell you very easily. So basically this one is pointing to this two in the original linked list. Okay, I have created a copy with this one node. Okay, my current is basically at this point now. Okay, I am simply writing copy dot next is equal to current dot next. Copy is this one, dot next is equal to current dot next, basically once. So current dot next is this two. Okay, all right. Now current dot next is equal to copy. Current is this one. Current dot next is equal to copy. Okay, and now current is equal to copy dot next. So look, this no, this connection is now broken, and current which was at 1 will be copy dot next. This one's dot next is 2. So now this will be my current. Again we will do the same process. So in this way we will simply insert the copy nodes. Okay, I think it is clear now when we are, I've just shown you. And after that again I will do current is equal to head, so that I think you guys know. Okay, now what we have to do, we just have to make our random pointers now, and making the random pointers is very easy. While current not equal to null, what I will do, if current dot random not equal to null, because in some cases it can be equal to null as well. So what I will do, look, if you remember, current dot next is basically the copy. Current dot next is the copy, and its random we have to populate is equal to what? Current dot random dot next. I think you guys got this right. And now simply we will update our current. So current is equal to current dot next dot next. Why? Because let me tell you again. Let's quickly see this. 1 is pointing to 2 and 2 is pointing to 3. Okay, and I have also added some copy nodes. So this is now 1, and this is new node 2, and this is uh, copy node for 3. Okay, all right. Now in the very starting, first random is 3. First random is 3. Okay, so what I will do, I'm currently at this current 1. So what I will do, current dot random not equal to null, correct? Current dot random is 3. Okay, so current dot next dot random is basically this random. I have to point this. Okay, so what it will be pointed? Current dot random is 3 dot next this 3, which is the copy node. Okay, so my this new node 1 will point, random will point to this node 3. Okay, in this way we are going to do. I think it's again clear. And now just we have to extract our new nodes from the given linked list. Like the copies are made in the new linked list only, na? So we have to extract that. How? Let me tell you. Current is equal to head, and this is my copy head. Let's say copy head is also head dot next, because head is my current new original node, and copy head, which is head dot next, is my new node, copy node, which I have created. Okay, so I will simply do again while current not equal to null. And I don't know how much long is this video, but I'm just trying to make it clear to you. Okay, so very easy it is now. Copy node is what? Copy node is current dot next. Okay, which is very easy. And now I will simply do current dot next is equal to copy dot next. Okay, and if copy dot next not equal to null, simply do copy dot next is equal to copy dot next dot next. Okay, I will tell you why I'm doing this. And now my current will be equal to current dot next. Okay, and after coming here, simply return copy h. Okay, let me tell you quickly tell you what I have done here. So currently my node is my linked list is something like this: 1, and then the copy node 1, 2, and then the copy node of 2, then 3, and then the copy node of 3. In this way current my node is. Okay, my current is this, my current is this. Okay, copy is current dot next. So this is, let's say, copy. I'm saying it over here, copy. Okay, current dot next is equal to copy dot next. So this current dot next will be 2. It will be removed 1 will be removed from here. Okay, all right. And copy dot next, this is ones dot next will be 1 dot next dot next. Okay, so ones, which is currently pointing to 2, will now point to this 2, because these are the copy nodes. These are the copy nodes, and I have linked it. I have linked it. And similarly for this 2, we will do current dot next dot next. Oh, copy dot next dot next, which will be this 3. And if you remember, my copy head is still at head dot next, which is here, and I will simply return it here. I think if you will sit with pen and paper and try to visualize this once, it will be crystal clear to you. And also I have tried my best with 2 solutions. Both code you will get on my GitHub. Make sure you follow me on GitHub as well, and it is getting accepted. So yeah, if you have loved the explanation, I think you should comment it down, subscribe the channel, like the video. I'm going to see you again tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding, and bye.